Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Instagram and unexpected error occurred. If you are using Instagram and you're facing any kind of unexpected errors, let's see how can you easily fix that. So the very first thing is that you just have to make sure that you have a stable and strongest network connection, or you have to also make sure that your VPN is not connected. So go for settings, go for general, go for VPN device management, and you just have to disconnect with the VPN if you're connected. Once you have disconnected with your VPN, go to App Store, go for search and search for Instagram. And you just have to make sure that your Instagram app is up to date. There is no any pending update for your Instagram app. If you find, just try to update your app. So after updating, it will fix your error. If it's still not fixed your error, so you just have to try to make a force or restart your iPhone to fix minor glitches. Not to do that, you just have to quickly press the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press and raise your volume up, then volume down, press and hold the power button, and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, you just have to unlock your phone, and here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issues, you have to simply open your settings app here, go for general, go for iPhone search here, just look for Instagram app, and you just have to try to offload your app, or you can also try to delete your app. So after offloading or deleting, if there will be any bug or any malware onto your Instagram app, it will be fixing this step and you will not get the issue again. So in this way, you can easily fix any kind of unexpected error. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.